got some banana ready, strawberry, and then I have some figs. And we're going to make some very tasty toast to your parents. Today I got the bread. Well, you can use any kind of bread, doesn't matter. And today I used the one that with the pumpkin seed. Is very tasty. And I put 2 slices of bread into my toast and toast it. Okay, we're going to cut the banana in a smaller piece. Kids, if you need to use the knife, please ask your parents or your elder sibling to help you out, okay? Ask the adults or elder sibling to help you out. If your elder sibling is over 15, otherwise ask your parents to help you out, okay? We cut the banana. Oh, the toast is ready. Let me take it out. Okay, it's a little bit hot, and you guys have to be careful. What I'm going to do is I want to make one with peanut butter. And I take some peanut butter from it, and then I spread it on the toast. Okay, I spread it on it, and then I just put whatever I want. Okay, you can put whatever you want. Okay, say this one make it for your grandpa or for your dad, and then you can say like you put some banana on the top, and then we can put the figs on it, and the strawberry. Oh, we can put it on the top of it, and then we can put some more banana. Wow, look at it. It looks so tasty. Look, okay, this one I put the peanut butter on it, and then if you want to make it for your dad, for your grandpa, you just put whatever the fruit you like. Now the other one, I put some dark chocolate. Okay, I put this one. I put some dark chocolate hummus. Okay, I want to make it for. Okay, say that if you want to make it for yourself, or you want to make it for your mom or your grandma. Okay, the same thing. Okay, we put some chocolate on it, like the banana on the chocolate. Okay, we put more banana on it. Banana is really good for you. And then of course strawberry. Look at it, we put some strawberry on it. Okay, and then we put some figs on it. Okay, and then I put it in. Look at it. Wow, it's a really good breakfast. Even though like you say, oh, it is good for the lunch and snack too. Okay, kids try it, and then make it for your family and enjoy it.
Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise. Ephesians 6:2.